How to turn on paperless statements and discover bank online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to go green and simplify banking, well here is how to turn on paperless statements and discover bank on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to click Profile Account Settings in the top right menu and select Statements and Documents and then choose Paperless Statements. And with that you need to review the terms and condition and then select the account you want to switch to paperless and after that, you simply have to enter or confirm your email address to receive statements notification digitally. And with that, you need to click Enroll or Save Changes, and your statement will now be delivered electronically. And that's it. That's how you can turn on paperless statements and discover bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.